This is the Miata bias guide, both the first and the second gen. Thrust bearing failure is one of the well-known things to look out for. Can be identified by listening in for a rattle with the clutch depressed or when revving the engine. The transmission should feel loose and willing to change gears with a slick but positive mechanical action, and if the gear changes feel sloppy, there could be something wrong with the selection mechanism. Check to see if there is any clutch chatter. If so, the only solution is to get a new one. And while you're at it, get a flywheel too, since the whole thing comes as a balanced assembly. If it's not originally from a dry climate area, rust is certainly something to watch out for. Where? Everywhere. Underneath, fenders, wheel wells, doors. If you see bubbling in the paint, avoid it like the plague. Watch for oil leaks, corrosion, regular maintenance, and look for panel gaps or any other signs of accidents. You could also check the window labels to see if any has been replaced. If so, there is a story behind that. The coolant system is supposedly relatively weak. The plastic end tanks on the radiator can be brittle if they are original. If you spot coolant oozing, it's likely they are just about to fail. Additionally, freak grills or bulky driving lights mounted in the mouth can cut down on airflow and cause overheating in hot climates. If the Miata you're looking at has stretched tires and camber like a drift car, I know it's sad, but walk away. It's always a good idea to get a hardtop. Makes it an all-weather car, since the soft tops tend to leak. Avoid used car dealers. They mark up the car and will rip you off and sell your car that is overpriced in a third, and they usually have no idea of the car's history. Browse online marketplaces like eBay and be patient. It's always worth waiting for the right car. Will save you a lot now and in the future. Any car that has been well used and well maintained is an ideal option. If you can get the entire service records and find everything has been well taken care of, then go ahead, that's your car.
Shut up and take my money.
Hope you guys found this short video helpful. If you liked it, smash that like button. If you loved it, hit that subscribe button. Like always, see you soon. And wait there guys, wait. If you guys have any other suggestions on which car I should be doing next, please feel free to put it down in the comments below. Okay guys, bye bye.